Hello everyone. So hello everyone. This is 1st November. आज मेरा first leg of winter complete होता है. I'm here to tell you guys a few things जो कि अच्छी हुई, जो कि थोड़ी खराब हुई, and a little bit of everything, and then I will tell you all the things that I am going to do for November. As you all know, as you can see it also on YouTube, everything started with a very big bang, and it's like a ritual of mine that I start things with too high expectations out of myself and out of everything else, and then I crash out. And then I have to pick myself again, and then I go through the cycle again and this is again that time of the month where I would just rise up and start a new thing probably. But I'm not starting anything new as such this time. Okay. I'm just continuing to focus on the winter arc challenge and how it is going. I'll give you an update around that also. But थोड़ा सा बैक एंड में स्टोरी बताता हूँ मैं आपको कि क्या हुआ मेरे साथ में. I started the winter arc challenge बड़े बैंग से and all that, and लास्ट 15 दिन से मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ with this entire challenge, and I want to tell you क्या हुआ. तो I started the entire content वाला part. Everything was going very well. मैंने winter arc से पहले शुरू कर दिया था. I named it as 100 days challenge ताकि 100 days में winter arc भी इन्वॉल्व हो जाए और मुझे इनफ टाइम मिल जाए winter arc शुरू करने से पहले to get rid of all my bad habits, and everything is working fine also. There is one aspect of my life which is going very smoothly. However, this has been going for a year. मतलब मैं आराम से 1 साल से ये चीज़ कर रहा हूँ, तो there are no hiccups as such. क्या चीज़ें हैं वो जो मैं easily कर पाता हूँ, which is like I can sleep on time, wake up on time, and I go to the gym regularly. पूरे इस साल में I think there has been hardly a few days जहाँ पे मैंने अपने मन से छुट्टी रखी है. There was only this one instance जहाँ पे मेरा हाथ फ्रैक्चर हो गया था and I was not able to go to the gym because of that. उसके अलावा there were no reasons as such. So this aspect of my life was pretty sorted. I just wanted to get into that mindset कि वो winter arc शुरू कर रहा है. And winter arc शुरू हुआ as it always does. I started uploading a lot of reels also, and how I wanted to create reels, मैं उस तरह से reels create कर रहा था, मैं उस तरह से videos create कर रहा था, and I was trying to level up every single video. Like कोई pattern मैं follow नहीं कर रहा था. Every video में I'm trying to learn something new, execute, and that started taking like a little bit of toll on me. ठीक है कि कौन से idea के ऊपर we are going to talk about, कौन सी चीज़ें बतानी है ताकि वो लोगों को value provide करे, ये सब करने लगा. फिर slowly and gradually I decided that I don't want to do full gym fledged वाला content, and why I don't want to do the gym वाला content is very simple because मेरे अंदर से ऐसा लग रहा था कि I don't have the physique that most people would like to look at. Yeah boy. वो चीज़ मैं कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ, तो this was like the first. आप लोगों ने वो देखा होगा domino effect, so this became the first thing that toppled and then everything else started falling. तो जैसे ही वो सोचा तो वैल्यू प्रोवाइड करने वाला कंटेंट इतना इजीली नहीं बनता है. लाइक यू हैव टू रिसर्च अ लॉट. देयर आर टू थिंग्स यू कैन डू. ओके, यू कैन आइदर यूज अ लॉट ऑफ एआई टूल्स एंड नॉट बी ऑनेस्ट विथ योरसेल्फ एंड जस्ट टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स दैट यू फाइंड इंटरेस्टिंग, कॉपी कर लो किसी से. एंड देयर आर अदर थिंग्स दैट यू कैन डू व्हिच टॉक अबाउट योर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस, इंस्पायर्स यू स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दोज थिंग्स एंड यू शेयर योर वर्ल्ड व्यू और योर एक्सपीरियंस. मेरे को ये सेकंड वाला पार्ट करना था. आई कैन डू दिस अदर पार्ट ऑल्सो, बट सेकंड वाला पार्ट, अब उस सेकंड वाले पार्ट के अंदर भी इट वॉज टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. जॉब के बाद में एडिट्स करना, और वो भी ऐसे नहीं कि ऑल द एडिटिंग दैट यू वांट टू डू. इज दिस यू हैव टू लर्न एंड डू इट. तो सीखते सीखते जब मैं वो चीज़ें कर रहा था, इट वॉज टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टोल ऑन मी. एंड देन बॉडी सही नहीं दिख रही है, वो तो एक प्राइमरी रीज़न बनता गया एज I move forward. During this winter arc challenge only I gained like 2-3 kilos. I gained a lot of weight, and that was like the tipping point जहाँ पे I started feeling very low कि oh my god, what is happening? I'm on the diet also. I'm not keeping track of anything. I'm depressed. I'm not. Workout भी मेरा बहुत कम हो गया था. मतलब with the intensity that I used to do, वो कम हो गई थी. There were injuries that started showing up. My knee used to pain a lot. My ankles used to pain. My wrist would pain a lot, and due to which I was not able to work out for like 2-3 days. And फिर मैं वापस से शुरू करूँ ये सब चीज़ें. So it started taking toll on me. एक मैंने रील बनाई थी वो कंसिस्टेंसी ट्रैकर वाली. इन दैट कंसिस्टेंसी ट्रैकर ऑल्सो आई हैड दिस वन सेक्शन जहाँ पे बी बेटर एवरी सिंगल डे वन डे, एंड उसके ऊपर भी आई वांटेड टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड because there were other things that were very like dominating, I was not able to do this also, which really meant a lot to me. When I was thinking about this video today, तो मुझे लगा कि ऐसी कौन सी चीज थी जिसने मुझे हटा दिया अपने ओरिजिनल पाथ से. So the only thing that went really wrong was my expectations of myself. इस सीरीज में हुआ, okay? So I started doing it, everything went well. I was on track, and because of that I had high expectations of myself. मेरे को आने वाले विकास से बहुत ज़्यादा expectations थी, and plus like the validation that I seek on internet, वहाँ से भी मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं कुछ और अच्छा करूँगा, कुछ और अच्छा होगा ये सब. And what happened was I started forgetting why I really started. मैं भूल गया था कि मेरा main motivation behind starting all this is what. Like, why do I want to do this? I started forgetting about that and I started focusing on the results. My expectations fogged the entire brain and I was not able to look back and realize कि oh मैं कहाँ से आ रहा हूँ. I was coming from a depressed state and वहाँ से आने के बाद में I was trying to change a lot of things and I was able to do it also for a long time, but because I was not focusing on that and then I changed my goal here and there, वो सब चीज़ें ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम हटती गई मेरे दिमाग में से. एंड नाउ आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाई आई रियली स्टार्टेड द थिंग दैट आई स्टार्टेड. So this is the video for all of you all, whoever is going through this winter arc challenge और क्या मुझे करना है. तो again I would just simply recommend, this is what I've been doing since last 5-6 दिनों से. I'm kind of like trying to come back, bounce back from my own wrong expectations. So what is it that I'm going to do? What is new this time, Vikas? और क्या ये conversation आप फिर से करोगे in December? Probably not. Probably yes. Life will happen. Things will happen. I might lose control. It is completely fine. This time I'll try and make sure that whenever I lose control, I regain control really soon. Like इस बार 10-15 दिन लगे मुझे, उससे पहले ही I'll try and regain the control. उसके अलावा what else do I want to do? So simple है, नवंबर के लिए कंसिस्टेंसी ट्रैकर जो हमने बनाया है उसी का एक एडवांस्ड वर्जन, a different version I'll create. Instead of focusing on being 1% better every single day, I would try and focus on one thing that went really well this today and one thing that I'm really proud of, वो लिखूंगा मैं उसके अंदर. And other than that I will try and keep track of the calories that I'm eating. Second is I will start reading a lot of things, so 30 minutes every single day वो मैं पिछले कुछ दिनों से कर भी पा रहा हूँ easily. And like having a very clear weekly plan. I have a few things that I want to do. Value based ही content मेरे को बहुत अच्छा बनाना है, but how I'm going to do it efficiently is the thing that I'm going to focus on next month. That is it. If you're also doing the winter arc challenge, I would really suggest that you keep a weekly or a monthly reflection activity ताकि you don't lose track like myself. And gym के अंदर वो जो एक conversation थी, I really wanted to talk about that part also. कि I had like high expectations out of myself that I am doing everything right. I'm eating a lot of protein, I'm not eating a lot of carbs, I am working out intensely also, but still body wise there are no changes as I would want myself to look like. Okay, और वो क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? And because of that I was getting depressed कि हो क्यों नहीं रहा है, मुझे 2 साल भी हो गए, and why the change is not happening. And then I realized that for a period of time I was on and off. ठीक है, फिर I got very serious. उस टाइम पे लास्ट विंटर आर्क में इट वॉज वेरी गुड, फिर हार्ट टूट गया, फिर ऑन एंड ऑफ, डाइट पे कभी ध्यान ही नहीं था. एंड प्लस जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस दैट आई हैड फ्रॉम माई सेल्फ वर रियली हाई. लाइक आई वांटेड टू बी श्रेडेड एज फक, एंड पीपल हु आर श्रेडेड एज फक आइदर हैव अ लॉट ऑफ इयर्स इन देम, like they've worked out for a lot of years. It doesn't happen in a year or two. Like the muscle mass that you want and the physique that you'd want, वो दोनों एक साथ में इतने जल्दी नहीं होते हैं. And the only way it can happen really easy and really fast is by you taking steroids. तो वो एक idea मेरा clear हुआ है कि I am not going to look like how I want to look like anytime soon. It is not like, I'm not saying it is not possible, but the timeline that I have for myself that 2-3 months में हो जाए वो probably नहीं होने वाला है. So what can happen? So naturally what is it that I want to do, वो सब मैंने लिखा है, वो सब मैंने figure out करा है. So again, if you are doing winter arc, अगर आप भी weight loss करना चाह रहे हो तो I am suggesting that don't be inspired by people who look very cool on the internet, look very jacked on the internet. Even when somebody is around you, please don't be inspired by them. Be inspired by the version that you were yesterday and the version that you want to be. I think वही करना है, and I think I am an example of this thing जहाँ पे you might lose track also. I lost track. So you might lose track also, but when you do lose track, you try and come back as soon as possible. That's the only thing that you and I we can do. So it is day 40 for me. First leg of winter arc is done. अभी 2 महीने बचे हैं. I have a goal that I want to achieve. I am pretty sure that I'm going to achieve it this time. Good job. This is it for today. I am going to see you tomorrow also. थोड़ा सा value based content YouTube के क्या ऊपर क्या series बना सकता हूँ वो मैं I would try and focus. Instagram पे there is a series that I'm working on. First episode probably comes out tomorrow. So I will try and shoot that as much as I can, and then I will see you guys next time. Bye bye. See you later.